In this video, I will show you how to change account location on Roblox. So first, you need to open up your Roblox app or type roblox.com/home. Go ahead and click on Settings on the upper right corner, then click Settings. Scroll all the way down and you will see your location. So if your location is incorrect here, go ahead and click Settings and click Help and Safety. As you guys can see, click Help Center. You might need to search location and press Enter, and then find account location and click. Scroll all the way down until you see Need More Help and go ahead and click it. And you will see the contact information. So you need to complete these details: the username, first name, email address, and confirm email address. So the email address must be the same as the username. And scroll all the way down. In the issue details, what device are you having the problem on? So in this example, I will choose PC. Type of help category, click on How To. And help subcategory type, click the drop down and choose How to change my location. So in here, you can copy the description whatever I type. As you guys can see, type the wrong country here. Edit this. So for example, I'll type Philippines. And then, edit this correct country. For example, I'll type New York. Then after that, click on Continue. Thank you for watching. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.